Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add two different numbers for your Word document or your thesis. As you see here, this is Latin number, this is Latin number, this one also, and from this page on, start numerical numbers. If you want to learn, watch to the end. Now let's get started. I want to add Roman letters to first page, to second page, to third page, to fourth page. From this page on, I want to add numerical numbers. Just insert cursor here, layout, breaks, next page. Now from home, if you click this symbol, you see it shows page break or section break here. Good. Now remove it. Just insert page number, bottom page number. For example, I select this one. Good. Link to previous and check. It's selected. Then page number, format page number, start at 1. Okay. You see that this page number is page number 1. Page number 2, and so on. Let's check the first pages. Okay, come to first page. For example, this page. Select this page number, format page number, change it to Roman letters. For example, I selected this type. Okay, now close this one. Okay, let me come back to first page. You see, it's Roman letter, this one Roman letter, this one Roman letter, this one Roman letter, and this one is numerical.